Yeah, come on in. Oh, wow, Michael.
Hey guys. How you doing?
Oh, we're great. How are you?
Should we make a fire?
Would you chop some wood?
BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Nana BOOZHOO, and over here we have the lovely and the talented Natasha. Take it down, BOOZHOO, Natasha. Say hello to the people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina!
And today on our
Hey.
Oh yeah, you too. Ladies and gentlemen, Nana BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe
And
Doog.
today on the show, I thought I would play some guitar and do an Ojibwe word of the day. You guys think it's a good idea?
Oh, yeah.
All right. How about we do a song called I don't know, maybe this is an intro song.
You're gonna start it now.
Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Hey, Nana. Wait, I know what song this is. She could tell right away I was bad to the bone. Bad, bad to the bone. Bad, bad to the bone. How's that song start? Oh yeah. On the day I was born, the nurses gathered round to see the wild wonder and the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up. She said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away I was bad to the bone. Bad to the bone. Ladies and gentlemen, on lead guitar, Mr. Nana BOOZHOO. Nice, very
Oh,
good.
what?
So yeah, that's not the song I wanted to do. Let's see. So, let's see. I've been telling myself to not introduce the song on, or introduce the show on every song. I realized I was watching some old videos and wondering why is every YouTube clip an introduction to the show every day.
Yeah,
I'm like,
right?
this is a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. But today's Ojibwe word of the day. What is it? Today is Monday. So today's Ojibwe word is the day after prayer day. And we say Ishwa Anima E Gija Good. Ishwa Anima E Gija Good. And I've always thought that must come from the boarding school days, when we're still using OJIBWE, but following the like Catholic school schedule or whatever. Sundays were called prayer day, like the day you go to church. Anima A, prayer, and Gija Good, day. And then the day after prayer day would be Ishwa, Anima A, Gija Good. This is the day after prayer day. And then like Tuesday is the second day. So it's Nijo, Gija Good, and on and on. So, in the spirit of Monday, I thought I'd do a song by Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Actually nowadays it's Monday has a different connotation. Nobody wants to admit it, but there's a lot of people who are like, oh rats, I can't go to work today. Darn this virus, this pandemic. I'm so mad I don't have a job anymore. Everyone panic in the streets. We don't have jobs. But, it's kind of like, well, okay. Now the weekend just keeps going. So, this song is by, what song am I going to do? Should I do another John Cougar? All right, how about this one? Lightning crashes, a new mother cries. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. Confusion. The doctor can even close the door. Lightning crashes, an old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. Closes her eyes. The confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down the hall. Oh, now feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. Lightning crashes, a new mother cries. This moment she's been waiting for. Angel opens her eyes. Pale blue colored iris resolves the sun, sets the glory out to hide. Oh, now feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Voices pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh. chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. And you have been watching
What?
BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Nana BOOZHOO. And
Okay.
this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Hawa. All right. Okay, do we do one more kiss song?
Yeah, might as well. God dang.
That seems to be our thing. Like an encore.
Yeah, no kidding. Get up! Get your grammar out of here.
How about
Well, Jim is working hard.
any ideas, Natasha?
Forever. Oh, I love this song. It's a love song. A kiss. Forever. Kiss forever, that's what I think.
I gotta tell you what I'm feeling inside. I could lie to myself, but it's true. There's no denying when I look in your eyes. Girl, I'm out of my head over you. I lived so long believing all others blind. Whoops. I lived so long believing all others blind. But everything about you is telling me this time it's forever. This time I know it, there's no doubt in my mind. Forever. Until my life is through, girl, I'll be loving you forever.
Yeah. Remember how he does that? Yeah. Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe. And
Oh, yeah.
thanks for watching. Miigwech.